The National Weather Service in Pennsylvania has issued a tornado drill for all Pennsylvania counties and the required weekly test of KIH28. I left my recorder up to catch the tests, so here they are.
At 11 a.m. on Wednesday, April 17, 2024, this test message is being issued in coordination with the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency and your county and municipal emergency management agencies to support preparedness across the Commonwealth. The public is encouraged to test their preparedness by confirming two methods of receiving severe weather information, such as this NOAA weather radio, cell phone text messages and applications, and other trusted broadcast sources. Once again, this is a test message from the National Weather Service for all Pennsylvania counties. No need to acknowledge this test.
You have one unread message.
Here is the official National Weather Service for hazards warning device for station KIH28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near the city of Philadelphia, in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. In New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem. In Delaware: Kent and Newcastle, including Upper Delaware Bay. And in Maryland: Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KIH28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast.